Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Go beyond forms to realize divinity as the enjoyer and the attractive with all potency. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama, Hari Hari. And my favorite verse of the moment of chapter 15 is text 5. Nirmana moha jita sangarosa avyatma nitya vinivrta kamah dvanver vimakta sukha duhka samjnyer jat Chante amudah padam avyayam tat. Without the false prestige and illusion, those who have conquered the associations of the false in spiritual knowledge, in eternity, have disassociated from lust, from the dualities, are liberated from happiness and distress, who have named the attainment unbewildered in the situation that is eternal. Don't just mimic, but be of the right following. Devotees should be more just and compassionate than what the ignorant expect of God. Every human being is capable of recovering their lost relationship with God. Well, as long as they're alive, right? The advancement of civilization is not upon merely new information or opportunity, but it is in realizing the soul is not the body, and working on our minds and spirits. That upon the realization we got to work on our psychology and our spirituality. Trade is a potentially very spiritual business if it is fair. World peace is the goal, but the process might not be. Revealed and inspired scriptures gives us experience that we can't have directly. Religion is a science of more than merely non-misassociating or misbelieving. Everything physical is changing. Of the most important and possible lessons is prostration and submission with God consciousness. Secular consciousness necessitates suffering. If each realized the message of a bona fide spiritual teacher, they would live their circumstances with purpose. If we know who and how to love, we find success. Love of all else becomes through loving God first and most. God lets us incarnate because we wanted the opportunity. What you do unto the willing servant of God, or even the automatic servant of God, it is as if you did it unto God. But, it doesn't, I'm not saying that you can harm or help God or that sort of thing, or because God doesn't, we're not going to harm God, and God doesn't need our help. We are right in even exposing ourselves to fragmented and adulterated scripture, but our authority should be from the pure. The lessons of prophets and sages are lessons we are meant to use and become. That's the definition of mythology, by the way, the real definition of mythology. Everyone is a servant somehow, and perfected knowledge leads us to serve God, even if we are flawed at it in the beginning. Life is a process of perfecting, right? This world is a prison as far as we only see it in the modes of goodness, passion, ignorance, and such material terms. The mind and senses are purified by acting in God consciousness. We have the material conditions for the opportunities that our primal condition wants, our needs. Don't be fooled into thinking any worldly system is merely upon its leaders. Buddhi Yoga, forming and retaining concepts to discriminate and link, is far better than fruitive deeds. And that is better than mere intelligence. How many, because of their intelligence, are insane? How many, because of their intelligence or other physical aspects, are really in the position to do wrong to other people and to themselves as well? But it's like, look at how much some of the certain types of drug addicts are higher paid individuals on average than the money they get is higher than your typical person. But look at how they got it. Look at how they're using it. What good is $50,000 a year if you're not living as well as somebody who only gets 10? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.